Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Editing invoices in QuickBooks Online can seem a bit daunting at first, but it is an essential task for keeping your business finances accurate and up to date. Whether you need to update client information, adjust invoice dates, or correct line items, knowing how to efficiently modify your invoices can save you time and prevent costly errors. Today, we're going to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and in control when making these necessary updates. To get started with editing an invoice in QuickBooks Online, you'll first need to log in to your QuickBooks account. If you're not already signed in, you'll find the login option conveniently located on the homepage. It's important to have your logged in credentials handy to smoothly access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar and user-friendly QuickBooks Online dashboard. This interface is designed to make navigation intuitive and efficient. Now, let's dive deeper. Head over to the main section of QuickBooks Online, where you'll notice a variety of options and menus. Today, our focus is on the Sales menu. This section acts as the central hub for managing all transactions, making it a crucial area for keeping your financial accounts organized. From your dashboard, select Sales to proceed to everything related to transactions, including the invoices that we are going to edit. Within the Sales menu, you'll find the Invoices tab. This is where all your created invoices are listed in an orderly fashion, which makes it easier for you to locate the specific invoice you wish to edit. The organization of this tab is essential because it provides a clear overview of all your invoices, ensuring you can quickly identify the one that requires changes. Once you've found the invoice you need to modify, you'll notice an Edit button next to each invoice entry. This button is your gateway to making the necessary adjustments. Clicking on it will open the invoice in an editable format. Here, you can update various details, such as the client's information, the invoice date, line items, or even the payment terms. It's crucial to double-check any data you change to avoid errors. Take your time during this phase, and remember, accuracy is of utmost importance when it comes to your financial records. QuickBooks offers a straightforward editing mode, but it's always wise to review your changes thoroughly before finalizing them. After making all necessary updates, ensure you save your work by clicking the Save or Update option, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the page. Saving your changes is vital, as it ensures that all your edits are securely stored in the system, reflecting the most current information in your records. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you've successfully learned how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Practicing these steps regularly will not only help you maintain precision in your bookkeeping, but also keep your financial data consistently up to date. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to edit an invoice in QuickBooks Online. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.